Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Here is the dance tutorial of Nee Kavithaigala, and since it is a long choreo, I am dividing it into several parts. So here is the part 1, so let's learn it. So in the beginning you will be sitting on your heels like this, then you will go 1. Okay, you have to just extend your right hand to the right side like this. Okay, while doing it you should also look to your right. So 1, then 2. Keep your left hand open and with your right on it and then go like this. Okay, right and then 3. Okay, from left to right. Okay, so let's do it again. 1, 2 and 3. Then after that 4. Okay, from your head you should just twist your hands upward to the right corner. Then in this mudra. Then after that, from with your left hand from right to left, you will draw a straight line like this. Okay. You should also look at your hands while you do it. Okay. So let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. Then twist. Okay. And you will stand up. Okay. After this twist, you will be standing. For that, you can just lift your right leg while you do it and then stand. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then twist and pause. Okay. So I'll teach you the twisting now. So for that, concentrate only on your left hand and the right hand will go in the opposite direction. Okay. So first you should keep your wrists joined together like this. Then your left hand will go up, then to the right, then backwards, then left, and then back to the first position. So up, to the right, to the back, left, and twist back like this. Okay, I hope you got it. We have done this in Amsham too. So you can do it above your head like this. Let's do it again. So left up, then to the right, then back, then to the left, and then twist. Okay, I hope it's clear. So after this step, you have to stand up. Okay, keep your right leg up, then stand and then pause. Okay, so for that, after standing up, your hands will come back to the waist level, then twist it in and then back to this position. Okay, so from up, twist it at your waist level, then indola. Okay, so while doing it, your left leg will be out and you should bend to your left side like this. Okay, so let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, go. Twist and pause. Okay, then after this, we will take a half turn to the back. Okay, so for that, from here, your hands will go to your skirt and your left leg to the right and turn. Then after that you go like this. Okay, so for that you can keep your left leg outwards, then turn. Okay, while turning keep your right hand like this and left to your chest. Okay, so from here you will turn like this. Let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1. Then from there you should turn back to your front, then grab your skirt with your left hand, right out, and then your hands will go like this. Okay, keep your right leg pointed and your right hand will move from left to the right like this. Okay, you should also look at your hand while you do it. So from left to right and then from there draw a straight line down. Okay, so from up to down draw a straight line. You should also look while you do it. Okay, 1 and 2. Okay, then your legs will be like this, hands will be grabbing your skirt, and 1, 2. Okay, you should tilt your body to the right. Okay, I hope it's clear. Then after that you can switch your legs and your hands will go like this. Okay, now the left is pointed out and your hands in this mudra, it will draw a semicircle. Okay, draw a semicircle twice. So right to left, then right to left. Okay, so it will go like this. So while drawing the last one, you should tilt your body to the left. Okay, tilt it maximum. Okay, so let's do it again from here. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Okay, then from there you will take a turn and like this. So while doing your turn, your hands will go like this. Okay, so from the left side, your hands will move to the right, then behind your head, then from the side to front of you. Okay, so from left to the right side, behind your head, to the left side of your face, and to the front. Okay, like this. Okay, so while doing it, your legs will go like this. Okay, or else you can turn, a simple turn is enough, or you can go like this. Okay, first you should move your legs from the left to the right, then while your hands go behind your head, turn back, then while you reach to the front, your hands should be in front of you. Okay, so while you're doing it, your legs will come back in this position after the turn. Your left will be behind your right. Then in the same way, you should just sit in Aramandi and then move your hands from the mouth to the front like this. Okay, so while doing it, just sit in Aramandi. Okay, I hope it's clear. So let's do it from here. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Now from the very beginning, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Then twist, stand and pause. Turn. Then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Turn and 1, 2. So that's it for the part 1 of this choreo. I have uploaded the whole dance along with the song in slower speed and in normal speed on my YouTube shorts. I didn't include it here due to copyright issues. You will get the link in the description, so practice with it. I'll be uploading the next part soon. Till then, bye.